Hello everyone and our respected evaluators, we Team Algo Zenith are here to provide a solution for SIHPS AI-based UFDR analysis tool. First we will present our project idea, then we will move ahead with the primitive prototype. Here is our proposed framework. Step 1 is data collection and preprocessing. Here we ingest multi-format UFDR report. Step 2 is vulnerability detection and analysis. Here we use NLP for analysis of mischievous behaviors in data. Step 3 is risk classification. Here we assign to classify risks based on their severity. Step 4 reporting and visualization. Here we provide a user interface where you can perform NLP queries. Next is integration and automation. Here we provide you with API which can be integrated into other tools. This is our technical approach. We start with ingestion of data where the UFDR file and media are extracted, converted into JSON format. Next we have a security layer where we basically tamper-proof the raw files. Next we move on to preprocessing and enrichment layer. Here we perform OCR and deduplication to extract forensic data. These details are stored in the storage layer. Next we focus on to the reasoning layer. Here the AI is used to create the summaries which are pushed into the application and UI layer. In this layer we provide you with natural language query console, case management with tagging, report generation and evidence view. This is also stored in the database for future references. We also provide with a cross-case link detection which finds links in different cases. Our tech stack is React.js, Python, TypeScript, Node.js, TensorFlow, Mongo, Vector DFlat, Amazon S3 buckets, PTorch, Docker. Our solution is both feasible and viable for real-world forensic use. Technically, integration with UFDR outputs is achievable, and big data frameworks ensure high scalability and processing power. Operationally, it may need a little training initially, but it will soon reduce manual work and speed up analysis. Economically, while setup costs exist, the long-term savings and faster resolutions promise a strong return on investment. In terms of viability, our stack of AI, NLP, and big data tools is proven and reliable. The system directly addresses the growing volume of forensic data, improving efficiency and decision-making. Plus, with natural language queries, even non-technical investigators can easily adapt, boosting adoption across agencies. Of course, there are a few risks, and we've planned solid strategies to handle them. For data integrity, we use structured parsing, validation, and manual checks. For legal admissibility, we follow forensic standards and use explainable AI to ensure transparency. And to avoid AI overdependence, we keep a human in the loop, where AI supports, but humans decide. In short, our approach is technically strong, legally sound, and operationally efficient, ready to make digital forensics faster, smarter, and more reliable. Our solution transforms digital forensics, making investigations faster, smarter, and more reliable. High voltage impacts faster investigations, accelerates evidence extraction and analysis. Better case outcomes, enhances accuracy and success rates. Reduced workload, automates tedious data review. Stronger security, detects threats in real time. Cross-case insights, finds hidden links between cases. Rocket benefits natural language search, query data with simple everyday language. Multi-format support, works with all major UFDR tools. AI risk alerts, highlights high-risk content instantly. Smart reports, creates clear, exportable summaries. Easy integration, connects seamlessly with existing systems. In short, faster, smarter, and more connected investigations for a safer tomorrow. And lastly, here are our reference links which we will provide in the description below also. Now, let's move to our prototype. We begin with case 1. On clicking case 1, you'll see 4 main sections: anomalies, timeline, entities, and the link graph. In the timeline, you can view the complete history of activities, contacts created, messages sent with timestamps and dates, and even the media or images accessed. It gives a clear, time-based story of events. The entities section lists all key identifiers like email IDs, contact numbers, and user profiles, showing exactly who interacted with whom. In anomalies, the system highlights abnormal patterns, such as unusual time gaps or irregular communication behavior, helping investigators spot suspicious activity instantly. The link graph visually maps all the connections between contacts, revealing hidden links and relationships within the case. We've also added an AI chatbot, so investigators can directly ask questions about timelines, entities, or anomalies, making the process fast and interactive. And lastly, we offer both light and dark themes, so the interface not only looks great but performs smoothly in any mode. We've built the complete tool, fully functional and seamless, making investigations faster, smarter, and ready for real-world use.